An assembly item is an item that is itself composed of two or more other inventory items and sold as a set. Here's an example that I wanted to show you. This is a computer that's been refurbished, and everything that we show in this assembled item went into create this refurbished computer. You build assembly items from the existing items in inventory, which are referred to as a component items. An assembly item can also be a component item of another assembly. When you build an assembly, the on-hand quantity of each component item is reduced by the quantity of the item included in the assembly, and the on-hand quantity of the assembly item is increased by 1. Assemblies can also be broken, thus freeing the component items to be sold individually again. The assembled item has a single associated tax code. The entire assembly is taxed or not based on this code. Use judgment and observe local tax regulations if mixing taxable and non-taxable items in assembly. Consider listing a non-taxable component as a separate service or non-inventory item on the receipt, or use a group item instead. You can even include an assembly item in a group item. Once an assembly is defined and built, it can be listed on documents in the same manner as other items. Keep in mind that only headquarters can define assembly items, but remote stores can build and break assemblies as necessary to meet local sales demand. In the next video, we will go into detail on how to set up an assembled item.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.